I'm not about to give you my info. Sorry.
You are, because it's a crime if you don't.
No, it's not.
Because you're trespassing.
The crime is her being nasty and won't make my sandwich the way I paid for it. It's my money.
From refusing to give her name over a slice of cheese to screaming she's not resisting while being arrested.
I didn't punch you. I didn't resist. No, I didn't.
On March 19th, 2026, officers were called to a McDonald's in Butler, New Jersey after a dispute over a refund spiraled beyond a simple order issue. Despite already getting her money back, the woman refused to identify herself when asked. Here's what truly happened.
Bad day inside?
No, sir. I went through the drive-thru earlier.
Okay.
She refused to take my dollar to give me 30 cents after I paid it for extra cheese.
Okay.
There was a young lady who was very nice, by the way, before I got introduced to this lady in the burgundy. She asked the lady in the burgundy shirt to remake my sandwich. She comes up to the desk, wanting me to pay her another 30 cents. So 49 plus 30 plus 30. For what, when I'm not even getting enough pieces of cheese? You only put one on here when I already paid the 49 cents for the extra piece of cheese. So now you're charging me 60 cents more. So then she got an attitude because I asked her for a refund and called the police because she didn't want to give me back my money. And I told them I'm in a black truck and I'm waiting. Okay. She finally gave me the refund literally 8 seconds before I got in the car and started it up. The problem was all I wanted was to be remade with an extra piece of cheese.
I completely understand.
She started screaming at me and I'm just like, well, ma'am, she explained it to you. Why won't you go make it? Well, you need to pay me 30 cents. I said, the lady that just came and got the paper already took the 30 cents on top of the 49. Why would I give another 30 cents, which makes it 60 plus 49 cents?
So they've made you whole?
No.
They haven't made you whole?
Well, I mean, yeah, she gave me my money back, so I'm gonna go somewhere else. But
okay.
The problem was she should have just remade it like the lady asked her. I came all the way back here to get my sandwich. Obviously, I wanted to go home with it. I didn't understand where she got confused at after the lady already said, yeah, just go ahead and remake it, put a piece of cheese in the middle. She started getting all extra, wanting me to pay her again. No, ma'am, it doesn't work like that. I paid now 3 times for only 1 piece of cheese that I still didn't even get.
Okay.
So she gave me a refund. I'm leaving. She started screaming at me, telling me to have a good day and not to come back here. And I said, I won't.
So you didn't say anything. You was a complete angel. Because I'm getting information, you're getting disorderly in the store.
Did.
Okay, all right.
I did.
So here's what's going to happen. You've been made whole, right? You got your money back.
You pulled up. I didn't want you to have to chase me
So
down
here's
the
what we're
street.
going to do. They want you trespass. They don't.
Who cares?
Just listen. I know. It doesn't mean anything.
It's a McDonald's.
They don't want
can't
you.
Even
There's
do it
one
right.
on every corner.
Customers are right. Thank you.
Okay.
I won't come back
Does this car come back to you?
No, it does not.
Okay. Can I get a driver's license number or something from you, or name and date of birth?
I don't have one.
Well, I'm going to issue a trespass notice, and I have to fill out a piece of paper.
I can care less.
Okay.
What you're
I just need some information.
No.
But I do.
She gave a description. You can use that, but no, sir.
So I'm filling out a paper.
Oh, go ahead.
Okay.
Fill it out.
It's going to have your information on it so that you can't come back on the property.
Who wants to? It's a McDonald's.
I understand
like you said,
that.
there's one on
But I have to serve you with a piece of paper.
I'm not about to give you my info. Sorry.
At first, officers kept things simple and explained the requirement clearly, but instead of cooperating, she argued harder, dismissed the warning, and somehow turned a basic ID request into a personal injustice.
You are, because it's a crime if you don't.
No, it's not.
Because you're trespassing.
The crime is her being nasty and won't make my sandwich the way I paid for it. It's my money.
Okay.
That's nasty.
You're going to make it more difficult than it has to be.
If you arrest me, I promise you're going to have a problem.
I won't have a problem.
Yes, you will. Because
ma'am,
Not over a
we're
sandwich.
just trying to identify
Not
you to give you a piece of
sandwich.
paper. Okay, that's it. You have to identify yourself.
So many McDonald's out here.
Because
For what?
We've already explained
She
that to
was
you.
the rude ass bitch.
Ma'am, stop.
Take it up to another level.
Stop.
Bring yours down.
Stop.
Because I'm done.
Stop.
A piece of paper.
That's
For
it.
what? Over a sandwich that she
Criminal-
refused to make?
Are you going to stop and listen, or are
Who's
you
going
going
to
to
go in
holler?
there and make her remake my
If you
sandwich?
don't stop,
Nobody.
If you don't stop, you're going to end up going to jail. Stop.
Hancock, H-A-N-C-O-C-K, write it down so I
Calm
can go.
down.
No, because you're not about to act like
No,
that over a sandwich
stop.
she didn't make right.
Stop. You don't need to go to jail over this.
Exactly.
Okay, so
That's what I'm
calm
saying.
down.
Like over a sandwich?
You're making us your enemy.
I'm ready. I gave you my info.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. I said my last name, Hancock, 3616. Yeah. Over a fucking burger that she didn't even make right. That I traveled way far
Are you going to listen to me? Miss Hancock, what's your first name? The easiest thing to do is just give us your info. We give you trust. We give you a piece of paper and you don't come back. Then you're free to leave.
You told me I'm trespassed, so I'm not coming back.
So we have to serve you with a criminal trespass notice.
No, you don't.
Yes, by law we do.
You just want
okay,
to
then we're going to
call.
Then we're going to arrest
No,
you.
you're
for failing
not.
to identify.
No, you're
then
not.
Identify yourself.
No.
Yes.
For what? Over a sandwich?
Ma'am, stop.
She didn't identify herself.
Yourself or we'll have to arrest you. Now stop.
Over a fucking sandwich?
Yes, over a sandwich. So you're making a bad decision.
Missing every day though.
That's when the situation crossed the line. The warning became an arrest, and despite claiming innocence, her behavior said otherwise. This is usually where denial stops working and consequences start.
But you coming for me over a burger? Y'all, it's too much.
You're not leaving until you identify yourself.
Bruh, if you don't get the...
You better calm down.
I'm not giving you nothing. I already said it.
Okay, you're under arrest.
No, I'm not.
Put your hands behind your back.
No, I'm not.
You are under arrest for failure to identify.
Don't
put your hands.
Okay, my last name is Hancock. I already told you that.
Behind your back.
No, I don't want to.
Put your hands.
It's Latika. I'm telling you. Okay, I'm saying okay.
Put your hands behind your back. You're gonna get tased.
Okay. I said
put
okay.
Your hands behind your back.
Sir, wait.
Put
I said
your
okay.
hands.
Okay.
Stop.
I'm gonna get down. Can I please
up against the
just
car?
have my
Up against the car. Up against the car.
Oh my God! Why would you punch me? Look at my face! Why are you punching me? Why did you punch me? Look at my mouth! Oh my God!
That's all right. She's stacked.
I know. I'm just gonna have to
go on the side.
in the car.
My last. Look at my face! Why did you punch me? I didn't even hit you! Why, I have nothing for my mouth, please! Why would he punch me like that?
$3.11.
Why? Why? You didn't need to punch me?
That's when you don't
One in
cooperate.
custody, just as long as she resisted.
Once the situation was no longer in her control, the tone changed quickly. Confidence faded, complaints took over. Ian and cooperation finally appeared, just a little too late to undo anything.
Get your shoe.
Where is it? I can't see it.
Put your shoe on.
I'm trying to catch my breath. I'm sorry.
Didn't have to even do this way.
Can I just please go home now?
No, you're going to jail.
Sir.
Come on.
Please, can I go home?
Come on.
Okay.
Come
my
on.
name is Latika.
Come on.
Please.
It didn't have to be this way.
I'm sorry. Please.
It didn't have to be
Come on.
this way.
I want to go home. Okay. My mouth.
Yeah.
Do y'all give people stuff for
You
their
gotta call an
mouth?
ambulance.
I got her. Yeah. Let's get her seated.
Excuse me, sir.
Listen to me. Stop
Why
and
you
listen.
punch me
Stop
like
and
that? My
listen.
mouth hurts.
Stop and listen. Do you have any guns or knives on you?
Do I have a what?
Guns or knives on you?
No. My lip feels like it's busted or something.
And we will get a medic to see you.
But I mean, like, is my skin on my lip hanging? Because it feels like it.
Nope.
My lip is busted, sir. Like, how did you? I don't have no pockets. Sir.
Okay.
Ma'am, it didn't
Over
even
here.
have to be this way.
I don't want to go.
Over here.
Please.
You're going.
No,
Stop.
You brought it to this.
Sit down till the medic gets here to see
I don't
you.
want to go.
You don't have a choice.
You just caused the police force against you.
Sit down.
No, but you punched me on your own will.
No, it's because you're
I didn't
resisting.
punch you.
Feet up.
I didn't resist.
Feet up.
No, I didn't. I'm a female.
Stop.
Look at my mouth.
Stop arguing.
How is that okay?
Put your feet in the car. Stop arguing. Put your feet in
I
the
really
car.
gotta pee. Can I at least be outside?
Ma'am, this is not a debate.
Okay, I'm going. I'm gonna go. Sir, okay, tell him to stop because it hurts. I'm going to.
No,
Tell him
you're
to
not.
stop
You're still
holding
arguing.
me. No, I'm not. I'm just
Get
asking.
in the car.
Sir.
Get in the car.
Why are y'all so like this over a sandwich?
Close the door.
Oh my gosh.
My mouth hurts. I can't believe he punched me. I gotta pee so bad. Sir, excuse me. Look at my face. Oh my God, look at my face. Sir.
Miss Hancock.
Yes, sir.
We're going to try this again.
Can I please go
Stop.
home?
No. You are under arrest. Miss Hancock, what is your
Yes, sir.
first name?
My first name, my lip hurts. My first name is Latika.
L.A. You're fine. Catch your breath.
I was trying to.
I just said you're fine. Catch your breath. Latika, L.A.
Sir, I just want to go home.
Latika, you need to answer my questions.
Let me go. Over a sandwich.
Yes, you made this decision, not us.
But he didn't have to punch me.
Latika, you didn't have to resist. You made that decision.
I didn't even know you could do that to her female.
How do you spell your name? Latika.
Yes, sir.
How do you spell your first name? L.
Yes, A. T-I-K-A.
K-A. Latika, what is your date of birth?
0522. Oh, my mouth hurts when I'm talking.
0522. I'm almost done.
Hold on, I got it.
In the end, a minor fast food complaint turned into charges for resisting arrest and obstructing justice. When attitude replaces cooperation, even the smallest problem can escalate into consequences that don't go away. After the video was posted on the internet, people shared their thoughts in some comment. Imagine having the cops come for you because of a slice of cheese over 30 cents and a trespass order, not a battle wisely chosen. Ma'am, it's actually you who did all this over a sandwich. What a freaking idiot. Clearly she's used to getting her way by being argumentative and belligerent. She earned every bit of this. Every bit. What do you think about this case? Please comment.